remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Crema de Trigo. This is how my grandmother called it and my aunt. Crema. And this is cream of wheat. This is the easiest of all the hot breakfast or warm breakfast. And here's how it looks. I mean, I'm only going to use right now. I have 3 teaspoons of crema, 3 teaspoons of the trigo, cream of wheat. And typically for that is about maybe 3/4 of a cup, maybe a cup. You have to play by ear of milk or water. But I'm going to go a little bit different. Why? Because I'm going with coconut milk. Leche de Coco. Give it another nice looking flavor. But water is enough. Definitely milk. I'm going with the coconut milk. And on this side, I'm going to have some raisins because in Puerto Rico, some people prefer raisins. Or some berries. Or you can go with the cinnamon. Whatever you want. Oh, and no salt. This is breakfast. Go with sugar. And in my case, I'm going to use a sugar replacement because a lot of people don't like to eat sugar. So I'm going with a plant-based sugar replacement that's going to serve the same purpose. So let's get started. So I have this on medium heat, maybe a couple notches above. Here's the milk, coconut milk. I'm going to put a teaspoon or less of sugar. And I'm going to add this baby. Let me lower the heat. You move it because you don't want it burned. It's not going to take a long time. In fact, like the box said, 2.5 minutes. This is no science, baby. This is no science. 2.5 minutes. Let's see. Let me time it. So about 2.5 minutes. See how texture, how nice. This is sufficient for one person. If you wanted to prepare this for about 4 people, I said about 3/4 of a cup of the cream of wheat and about maybe 4 cups of milk or water. And that would have done the same trick. I use sugar, not salt. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to transfer here. Okay. And if you want it creamier, just put more milk or water or coconut milk. See, you just add more to it when you're cooking it. And it gets creamier. And you can add some raisins if you're into that. Or you can add some fruits. That's simple.